It's July 19th, 1989. A McDonnell Douglas DC-10 is cruising at 37,000 feet over the United States. It's flying from Denver to Chicago. 296 passengers are on board. It should be a routine flight. But an hour into the journey, a loud explosion shakes the aircraft. The tail engine fails, but this isn't just an engine failure. Fragments from the engine tear through the tail section, and in seconds, the aircraft loses all hydraulic systems. Now imagine you're the pilot. You move the controls. Nothing happens. No ailerons, no elevators, no rudder. The aircraft cannot be controlled. This was United Airlines Flight 232, and the pilots were now flying an aircraft with no flight controls at 37,000 feet. The plane begins to descend, slowly at first. The pilots try everything, but nothing responds. Then they notice something. Changing engine power affects the aircraft's movement. More thrust on one side turns the aircraft. Less thrust changes the descent. Now they have one option: control the aircraft using only the engines. Something never designed to fly a plane. They begin experimenting, balancing power, trying to keep the aircraft stable. It's barely working. A training captain in the cabin rushes into the cockpit. Now 3 pilots are working together, all trying to keep the aircraft in the air. They aim for the nearest airport, Sioux City, Iowa. But the aircraft is unstable. It keeps rolling. Now imagine trying to land a plane without flight controls. Every second is a fight. The runway comes into view, but they're too fast, too unstable, too difficult to control. The aircraft begins its final descent. The pilots do everything they can, but at the last moment, the aircraft rolls, and the DC-10 crashes onto the runway, breaking apart on impact. Fire erupts. Debris scatters across the airfield. But then, something incredible happens. People survive. Out of 296 on board, 185 make it out alive. Investigators later discovered the cause: a hidden defect inside the engine's fan disc. It fractured, sending debris through all 3 hydraulic systems. A failure so rare, it was never expected.